Hey everybody, in this session I'm going to show you how to create an interactive chatbot using Microsoft Bot Framework and .NET Core 3.1. In the coming sessions I'm going to show how to integrate ML.NET inside our chatbot, and we are going to do some sentiment analysis. This is basically a practical session. We are directly focusing on Visual Studio. So for this I'm using Visual Studio 2019 to create bot framework. So let's create new project. Go to open Visual Studio 19, click on create new project. Okay, here you can select the project type AI bot. Come down at last, here core bot framework version 4 .NET Core 3.1. Click on next, give the name. So here I am giving YouTube bot app. Click on create. To run the bot we need bot emulator. So I have already downloaded the bot emulator. If you want, I will give this link in the video description. You can download it from there. Wait for some time, it will create a new complete templated application for bot framework, and we will run the application and we are going to see how we can create. So our bot application is created. Now it is restoring all the NuGet packages without doing any modifications. You can see here Solution Explorer, our bot YouTube underscore bot app created without touching any file, without doing any modification. Let's click on run. Once it run, and we will see how we can work with it. So build succeed. For first time I created, so it is taking little more time to run. Our bot framework is bot application is ready. You can download the emulator, bot emulator from here. You can run register the bot in the Azure bot service here. In future we are going to see how to register bot service. So this is the API for my bot. Copy this API, go to bot emulator, go to file, new bot configuration. Let's say I'm giving YouTube bot app client. Here my endpoint is my API name. Click on save and connect. Save this bot configuration file and let's see. So you can see now we have added and automatically it's replying some messages. So let's see how this message is coming. Go to Visual Studio, stop the application. So you can see here Solution Explorer, you can see controllers. This controller has bot control controller.cs. Upon this bot controller.cs file, so you can see this is the API they are hitting. So let's see where is the adapter and how it is working. So everything is going to here bots. Okay, in the bots here dialog and welcome bot and dialog bot. Upon dialog bot, here you can see this dialog bot are there. Don't touch anything. Next, go to dialog and welcome bot. Here when the application is running the start time, so fast time, so you can see this message is coming. So let's comment the last message. So what is the last message? This one. With these two messages the last. So I'm just commenting this one. Okay, run the application again. Guys, it's a practical session how to create a complete interactive chatbot and how to do modification as per user requirement or how to do our customization. So bot is ready. Restart the conversation. So only we get our card. This is called as card. So where this card is coming? So you can see this response is attachment welcome card. This welcome card is, you can see create adaptive card. Go to definitions. So here you can see this is coming from get assembly first name end with welcome card.json. So welcome card.json, go to solution explorer. So you can see here card, here welcome card.json. Upon this JSON file, so here you can see this one. Welcome to bot framework. Now next text block is designing here. So welcome to bot framework. So here I am going to see welcome to YouTube bot session. Okay. Next text block is this one. Now that we successfully created. So change this one to our customized text. Okay. Next one is I'm going to show you how to change this image in the main banner image. So you can see in the top here body a image type is there. So in this image type I'm going to show my own website image, banner image, which is viswaranjan.info. So this image I'm going to show. Right click this image upon image in new tab, copy paste, copy the image URL here, go it. Okay, it's taking little more time. Okay, rerun the applications. Go to bot emulator, restart. So you can see this image coming from my website and we change the text here. Okay, change the text here in the text block. I change the image in the body section. Now I'm going to give this URL. So here you can see this URL coming, right? So I'm going to give my website, my blog and contact me. So get an overview here. Let's say I'm giving my website, visit my blog and let's say contact me. So go to my website, which is viswaranjan.info. This is the website URL. Go to Visual Studio, copy paste this URL here in the my website section. I want to show my blog. So the blog link inside the blog section, and I want to show contact page. So the contact page link inside the contact section. Okay. Rerun the application now. Now restart the conversation in bot emulator. So you can see my website, my blog and contact me. Click on my website. You want to open URL, confirm this. Yes. So it is going to this one. It is going to this one. So in this way we can create our fast interactive chatbot. In our coming session I am going to show how to modify some other things or how to add your own card. Then we are going to see how to catch the user response. Guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.